Access usBIM via the cloud usBIM.com address and enter your credentials, or alternatively log in via other platforms. Create a new account directly from the login page. Log in and view the usBIM homepage. Click on Applications and select usBIM.geotwin. View the My Maps section and the Shared with Me section. Search for maps using the search bar by name, ID, and hashtags. Open the context menu and manage map information. Get support via the Help button. Choose the language. Manage your account and log out.